What's the meaning of aeronautical? Aeronautical. 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 Aeronautical refers to anything related to the design, development, and operation of aircraft. This includes the study of the principles of flight, the design of aircraft engines and structures, and the navigation and control of aircraft. Aeronautical engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with the design and construction of aircraft and their components. Aeronautical research involves the exploration of new technologies for improving the safety, efficiency, and performance of aircraft. Overall, aeronautical relates to the science and technology of flight and the creation of machines that can navigate through the air.